Many students panic when they see mole calculations, but this type is actually very straightforward. Let's start with a question. How many moles are present in 9.0 grams of water H2O? To calculate moles from mass, we use the formula N equals to M over Mr, where N is the number of moles, M is the mass, and Mr is the relative formula mass. Next, we find the relative formula mass of water. H2O contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So the Mr is 2 times 1 plus 16, which gives 18. Now, substitute the values into the formula. The mass is 9.0 grams and the Mr is 18. So N equals to 9.0 divided by 18, which gives 0.50 mole. So the answer is 0.50 mole. The key idea is simple. When you want to find moles from mass, use N equals to M over Mr.